end up separating the three of them. There was just a little too much aggression going on, and so they were alternating days in the habitat. And after we had moved Willie to Rescue Ridge, we decided to revamp his enclosure, build a new bench, and so we moved Frankie yesterday. We'll put some video out of that probably this week, but we have check on Frankie later today and get some more video because we are just finishing doing some tree wraps in there since he has all of his claws. But here's Tommy. Oh, he's already talking. Robbie was, but we couldn't get signal. Sorry about the wind today. Say hi. You get this habitat every day now? Tommy. Say good morning, everyone. Tommy was putting on quite a show the other day with his new, with his ball. He had quite an audience. Robbie, come here. Here comes the big guy. Oh, I'm sure you guys remember how much weight he's lost since he's been here. Hi, you. Were you gonna pee on me? Pee on me? You're huge. Oh. Oh, good morning. Lots of love this morning. We've been getting lots of love around here. Appreciate everybody's reaching out this morning. We're gonna go down here and check out Abigail too. We gave Abigail a chance to move yesterday, but she decided she didn't want to. But the animal care staff got their new bench done. Sorry about the wind again. There she is, enjoying it. Abigail! That's the way it goes. She was sitting up, you know. Hi, Athena. Hi, Chuff. They're not the friendliest cats that are gonna chuff back. Athena did chuff when we got down. But I see Payson over here sitting pretty, so we'll say hi to her real quick. Out to the refuge right now, you'll see leaf piles everywhere. So the interns have been hard at work bringing in the leaf piles in all the habitats, and we pile it up in little nests, and the cats love it. Morning, Payson.